What's up, guys? So in today's exercise we're going to do a simple proof. So we need to prove that root 2 times sine of x minus pi over 4 is equal to sine of x minus cos of x. Now when we have this kind of proof where we need to prove that the left hand side is equal to the right hand side, what we're going to do is we start from one side and our goal is to work out and get the other side. So in this case I'm gonna start from the left hand side and my goal is to get the right hand side, right? So the left hand side is root 2 times sine of x minus pi over 4, and this I'm gonna work out to get the right hand side, which is sine of x minus cos of x. Now I'm gonna use some sine of alpha plus beta. This is sine of alpha cos of beta plus cos of alpha sine of beta. Same thing, sine of alpha minus beta, this is equal to sine of alpha cos of beta minus cos of alpha sine of beta. So now we are in this situation where we have x minus pi over 4, so we can consider x to be alpha and pi over 4 to be beta. So we're going to use this formula to write this in a different way. So this, let me put it aside. If we use the second formula, our root 2 would remain the same, and then we're gonna have sine of x cos of pi over 4 minus cos of x sine of pi over 4. Now this is equal to root 2 would not change, and then we're gonna write sine of x cos of pi over 4, we know that is equal to root 2 over 2, then minus cos of x sine of pi over 4 is the same, is equal to root 2 over 2. Now our root 2 would not change here. Here we can see that we have root 2 over 2, root 2 over 2, so I'm gonna factorize it. So if I take it out, we're gonna have root 2 over 2, and then we multiply by what is left, which is sine of x minus cos of x. So sine of x minus cos of x. Now we can see that root 2 times root 2 would give me 2, which is gonna cancel out with the 2 on the denominator. So this whole thing is just equal to 1. So this is gonna be equal to 1 times sine of x cos of x, which is simply sine of x minus cos of x, and that is the right hand side. Therefore we have proven that this left hand side is equal to sine of x minus cos of x.